The idea of this house was to showcase to people what you can do with spaces, how your lives and how you live in a space, how that can impact so many things. Quality of life, smiles, fun. So we pitched the idea to some people who were really interested in also being a part of that. One big driver in it was adapting a design to the future family, or what even a future family means. There was no set, it has to be this. We utilised the site as best we could with what we could put in it, and it just came to what it was. We started with putting one bedroom sort of master suite to the front with ensuite and walk-in robe.
Because the master suite was sort of located at the front, it could be cordoned off so that you could keep either the back of the house separate or you could keep the front of the house separate.
As you enter through the main part of the house, you're sort of welcomed by the lounge, dining, study nook, bar sort of area, all designed in a really small space. Being a long, skinny site, walking through and being then in the kitchen area, which is essentially always the heart of the home, and having that connection then to the outdoor area. And then zoning the upstairs area, which is the bedrooms, another master suite up there with an ensuite and bathroom. So this project was about collaborating with the makers and the people that would be involved. So spaces were sort of worked out and thought through, and materials were looked at, and then it was as a team coming up with the best that we could come up with together, and that was the idea of the place.
Yeah, we had a local ceramicist come in and she handmade every single basin in every bathroom, based on a sort of colour palette that we gave her. Like,
it was a really beautiful process. It was really nice work, and we learnt so much as well. Like, as you know, as architects and designers, sometimes you sort of forget how important it is to know how things come together, how things sit side by side, the screws and all the tools that are used to do something. We knew that we were creating something really special, and we knew that bringing in natural light would bring that sort of quality of life that you really want to achieve. But I think being in here and seeing everything and sitting in different spots, and you just smile, like it just makes you really happy. And just, you know, even the black bathroom, like the mood that you feel when you're in there, as opposed to then going into the pink bathroom. So you're in the black bathroom, you're like, oh, you know, I'm really sophisticated and this is really cool. And then you go into the pink bathroom and you sort of,
a bit more playful.
Yeah, you sort of smirk a little bit, but you also, it's a really calming feel. Mani architecture, like the word mani in Italian means hands, mane. So we sort of mani-made, that's where we come from, handmade. So one mani house is handmade, mani-made.